my friends, welcome back. December 12th, there is so much to go over right now. We have the New Jersey drone situation with a lot of updates from the military. And in a separate topic, LeBron James has left the Lakers, quoting personal reasons. Now, for those of you that have not been living under a rock for the past 6 months at least, we all know that LeBron James has been getting a lot of flack over his quotes about the Diddy parties.
I know ain't no party like a Diddy party, so.
Yeah, that's what's up. Yeah.
Quite literally fans calling him out in public, everything you can think of. So I'm not surprised that LeBron James is going to take this excuse and leave the sport of basketball. We don't know if this is permanent or not, but the timing of this is absolutely insane. And in my opinion, it makes him look even more guilty. At this point, my friends, if you're associated with this guy in any way, you're going to be called out. And when you act in this manner, it really just makes it 10 times worse for you. Anyway, I had to get that out there, but this is super important as well. The military has again come out and talked about these drone sightings in New Jersey and now other states as well, but they are admitting straight out that they are not ours and they can't even detect the frequency that these things are on. And if you can't detect the frequency of these, you can't shut them down. I mean, you got to think about this. I don't even think the biggest deal is these drones. I think the bigger deal is that the United States military is admitting to the public for basically the first time ever that they do not know what these are. They're even saying they're not even likely foreign. If they're not foreign and if they're not us, what are they? I've been saying from day one that I do not believe that these are aliens. I just don't see a super advanced race using something as simple as drones to just fly around the sky. It makes no sense. And what I do believe, and is a common theme among history, is that the government is completely making this up. They know exactly what these are, and they're just trying to see how we are reacting so they can further plan for other projects. We have become so complacent to these wild, outlandish stories that many of us have actually lost our grip on reality. Even 10 years ago, if you were to just watch a news station and then watch one from today, it would be like as if it was two different planets. And I don't see that changing anytime soon. We got some crazy videos out of this drone situation, which has not ended yet. I think we have a lot more of this to go before we get to any sort of resolution, if we even get there at all. All right, my friends, I appreciate each and every one of you. I'm going to leave you with one more clip at the end of this video. Let me know what you think down below on all these topics we just talked about. All right, my friends, take care. Bye-bye.